Alright, good guys, it's your mate Aries Tao again. Welcome to the Godox Basic Lighting 101. So today we are going to do some high-key portrait again, but this time rather than use natural lights as a field lights, we're going to use this fantastic ring lights. So it's a Godox ring lights. It comes pretty handy. If you zoom really in, you can see this nice ring in my eyes, right? And you can do like that. They actually just give you two rings, and you can have a full circle like that, and you can have a clamshell like this, yeah. And you can also adjust the color balance. Now I'm at 5300K. If I can go really warm down to 3300K, like that. And I can turn that on. I can go really cold temperature all the way to 8000K, like that. How cool is that? To be honest, it's a continuous light. Obviously, you wouldn't have that much power output like 8600. It's just different kinds. But if you want to do some headshots and do some video productions, that'd be really nice. I have this 1.8 meters umbrella with diffusing materials, which is really nice, delivers soft lights. It's going to be the backlit for our model. We also have this, rather than AD400 or like which I used last time, let's use AD200Pro. So we're just going to use these two lights for quick setup, see how we go. To mix continuous lights, which is Godox ring flash, with this beautiful backlit. Yeah? All right. Let's get started. Here we have our beautiful model, Taylor. Would you like to introduce about yourself?
Hi guys, my name is Taylor Davey and I'm a model from Sydney, Australia. And you can find me at Taylor Davey 1.
Taylor, would you mind just stand to block that? Yeah, to as close. Yeah, that's good. All right, I'll turn off the lights to start with. Yeah, guys, so you guys would be able to see that, see what's going on with the natural lights. It's not so bad for Taylor's skin. We're a bit underexposed, which is fine. Let's just boost up the exposure a bit. You can see that she's a bit underexposed because it's relevantly dark. And let's get started by turning on our ring lights. And to get really close to Taylor as our field lights, let's start it by the field light first. Taylor, would you just mind this inches to the, yeah, so you would be able to block the lights. Beautiful. You can see that how beautiful that light is. And if you guys zoom in really close, you would be able to see the, sorry, my hand was a bit shaky. Let's do another one, shall we? Gorgeous. Yeah, still a bit shaky. Sorry, I haven't got my coffee yet. I will, you know what? Let me just boost this up a bit. If you zoom in this close, you see this beautiful ring, yeah? And if you're not sharp, this is how sharp it's supposed to be. Awesome. So you can see the beautiful field lights, right? And the next thing we need to do is to turn on the back flash. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks gorgeous. So what do we do here? let's look into the details, see if there's any hair get overexposed. It seems I hit the spot right down there and it looks good. Now, guys, you notice that I use actually a quite open aperture at f3.5 because I don't want my ISO go over than ISO 400. That way I can still get a very clean image. But if you guys want a small aperture such as f8 with relevantly low ISO, you need a flash as a fill light rather than continuous light. Yeah. Let's have a look. Nice and awesome. All right, let's try to bump up the back leads. So I'm bumping up all the way from 1/16 to 1/8. See if that would that works better. Let's see. Gorgeous. You see, I actually still continuously shoots. That's no problem at all. Beautiful. Gorgeous. And guys, you notice the ring light delivers a beautiful light fall off from upper cheek to the jawline. Turn towards this way. Beautiful, gorgeous. Nice. And now we can think about how to adjust from there, right, guys? How to adjust from there. A way of doing such, that would be, you notice with this ring flash, we can actually have a clamshell. Okay? A very easy clamshell. Let's just move that slightly closer to Taylor. Alright, let's have a look. Yeah, we can even further lower this down to 36. Let's see how we go. Let's have this kind of beautiful golden tan. Guys, thank you again for watching. Click thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment below if there's any topic you want me to address in the future. This is your mate Aries Tao. I will see you in the next episode.